Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and today I'm going to discuss a unique feature that the Luraco i9 Max series of massage chairs has, and that is a sliding armrest. Now, the i9, the original i9 that has since been discontinued, had a little knob that you could grab between the seat and the armrest, and when you lifted it, then you could slide the arm back. And what that did was it allowed someone to get into the chair, someone maybe elderly or someone that has severe back pain, they can't move around. You know, it's hard to get into a chair like this when you're hurting. Well, now this thing would slide open and you could slide in like a car door. Well, now with the new i9 Max series, they've come up with an electronic button that when you push it, it'll open the chair or slide the chair back to open up the seat, so you can just slide in like this, just like a car, and go back this way, and then push it again with your finger and let it close, and now you can turn on the chair and enjoy it. Now, that's cool, and it does it on both sides. That's cool, but what's even more cool, or cooler, is that the Luraco has integrated the armrests into the stretch program. So when you turn on the stretch program, the chair will recline, the legs will come up, the rollers will start working on you, and then the airbags, as with most stretches on massage chairs, the airbags will pin your shoulders back, the calf and foot airbags will grab your legs and pin your legs in, and then the ottoman will drop down and the chair will recline. Well, what happens is that when you turn on the chair to begin with, the whole chair, including the armrests, go back, and then when you're in that reclined position, then as part of the program, the armrest will slide forward and pull your arms. So you're not just getting a full body stretch, you're also getting an arm stretch. And that'll, of course, stretches your hands, your wrist, your elbow, and your shoulders. And that's kind of a neat feature that the Luraco has. We haven't seen that before, where the armrest will actually move in conjunction with one of the, well, the armrest will move, but it'll move when the chair is reclining or going forward. But when it's reclined to that position, now the armrest can still move autonomously in a program. It will give you an arm stretch, which we don't usually see. By the way, I thought I should mention, this is placed here by the side of the chair. You can reach it with your finger, but notice how I'm bending over. If you're a taller person or you have back pain and it's hard for you to reach down there, you can just hit it with your knee and the thing opens up again. So that's kind of a nice, handy little feature about those armrests on the Luraco i9 Max series. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, thumbs up, like us on our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it if you did that. And help us spread the word about massage chairs by sharing this video or any of our videos with your friends and family through your various and sundry social media platforms. I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.